Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, and I'm headed to the gym here shortly, but I did want to share my Saturday with you guys. Right now I'm fixing breakfast, and I had an appetizer this morning called Pop-Tarts. And before you lecture me about how unhealthy that is, just remember that it does not matter what you leave in the comment section. I will not stop eating my Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, them are just so good. And one thing I have learned, it's not the things that it's how you eat them. So yeah, if you eat 10 of them, yeah, it's going to be pretty unhealthy.
I could eat the whole box and not feel guilty. That's my biggest problem. But anyhow, yes, I had strawberry Pop-Tarts. Ronnie's going to have brown sugar Pop-Tarts.
Oh, I love those. I'm going to eat them with my burrito.
His favorite is blueberry, but I haven't been able to find them in the store. So, yeah, so sometimes you have to pick and choose these days on what you buy at the store because I love the strawberry ones, and I even like the brown sugar ones. I like the chocolate ones. But my honey over here, his favorite is the blueberry. So we just had coffee. We've been drinking coffee this morning. I am ready for the gym. I've got my bathing suit on underneath here, and I got my bag over here packed, as you can see. And yes, I do carry a big cooler bag. This thing is the best gym bag ever because cooler bags have that lining inside, and whenever I put my wet shoes or damp towels, this is so easy to just wipe out, spray with a little Lysol, and I lay my shoes out to dry fully, and then when I put them back in here, then I'm good to go the next week. So yes, we are going to go to the pool today. It is a beautiful day out, as you can probably tell by the sunshine coming in behind me. And what are you hearing?
Oh, well, that was just a car.
Oh, he hears every noise outside, and I can tell when he moves his head that he's hearing something like, are we getting company or something emergency like going on outside? The other day it was so funny
when you're
because
blind, it makes you very alert.
Yeah, he's very alert. He's my ears and I'm his eyes, even though my eyes aren't completely all that great. But anyhow, we help each other. The other day it was so funny because the neighbors have been saying that we have raccoons in the neighborhood. I have yet to see these raccoons. I hope I never do because I don't really want to. But he keeps saying he hears an animal up on our upper deck. And I said to him, I said, I don't know that it's a raccoon because I did see a big fat giant squirrel up there the other day. Well, anyways, I was down here and he said, you know what? You might be able to go get some footage of that raccoon if you go up there now because I hear it out there. I ran all the way up the stairs with my camera in hand and there was nothing out there. Here I thought I was going to get something really good for you guys to see, and there was no animal out there. But anyways, we are getting ready to eat some breakfast. I'm going to take you along on my day today, and I hope you do enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my videos this past week. Thank you so much for your kind comments and reaching out to me. Thank you to all of you that are new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Invite your friends, invite your family members to subscribe. We love to have you guys along for the ride with Heidi's Home. It's going to be a lot of good videos coming out, good content, I hope. I don't like to promise things because then the camera stops working or something blows up or something happens. So I'm not making any promises, but my goal is to bring you content Monday through Friday every week. Now, there might be a brief couple days that I may not have anything out in one of the weeks in September coming up because I have some things going on. But I'm going to do my best to try to video as much as I can. And it may be, I may have some videos to fill in those slots. So that's what I'm gunning for. We'll see what happens. But you all seem to be enjoying my cleaning videos, so you know what? I have to clean that good old house anyways. Why not record it for you guys? If you are looking for a what do I want to say? $1 million mansion that I'm cleaning and, real expensive everything, and everything's in perfection and beautiful like some of these other YouTubers have it. And I'm certainly not knocking them, but you are seeing I'm a real person. My husband's a real person. We're both disabled.
And we just live life.
We just live life, and
But we're very happy.
That's
My
right.
baby over there.
That's right. We just enjoy life, and we're just happy, and we're happy to share it with you guys. So if you like that kind of content,
we got plenty for you.
That's right. It's coming your way. So I am, like I said, I'm making breakfast. We're going to get the day started, and I hope you all had a fabulous Saturday when you guys see mine. dinner is done. We have baked potatoes and we have shake and bake pork chops. And that is what we're having tonight. There's my dinner. Got my pork chop and my baked potato. It's got sour cream, cheese, chives, and butter, and it is going to be really good, and I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna dive in. Hello guys. So I am going to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed going to the gym with me today, seeing my breakfast and how I got on with my day today. I took a shower, I washed my hair, and I am ready to get some much needed rest tonight. Because tomorrow I'm going to get up early and I'm going to hit it. I've got some things I want to do around here and share with you in video. So be looking forward to videos this week. God willing, I will have a video out for you guys Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday again this week. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Thanks so much for watching my Saturday. And I'll be around. Yeah, you guys are going to see a lot of me this week. So stay tuned.